Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting by preparing the phone. Enable camera permission now so scanning can access the lens. Once done, open the native camera app or your chosen QR scanner app. Native apps often scan automatically. Position the code in the center of the viewfinder, holding the phone steady about 6 to 12 inches away so the camera autofocuses. Make sure the code is well lit. If not, tap to focus or enable the app's flashlight. This gets you into the active scanning state quickly and reliably. Once the camera is active, frame the QR code inside the on-screen guide and remove any tilt or angle. A flat, perpendicular view reads fastest. If the camera struggles, tap the screen to refocus or bring the code closer within that 6-12-inch range. When detected, you'll see a preview overlay or hear a beep. Make sure to inspect the URL or label before tapping. If a preview appears, press the card or link. That action confirms you want to open the content securely and prevents accidental navigation. To finish, review the destination or action shown in the preview and then tap to open it in the browser or app. This prevents unwanted redirects. If you prefer, copy the link to paste into another app or a password manager. If scanning fails, try again in brighter light, remove screen glare, restart the camera or QR app, or clear the app cache. These steps often fix stubborn reads. One key troubleshooting tip: switch to a dedicated scanner app with manual focus if the native camera keeps missing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.